We have two options. Keep building, cross our fingers it works, and if it falls apart on the day of, we're just screwed. Or we can take a break, put this in the water, and see if it floats before we go any further.
See if she floats. Let's go swimming.
Let's do it. All right. Woo! All this time on an island leads to this moment right here.
Come on.
We are gonna trust these knots. We're sailing us to that island over there.
Yeah, and you broke it.
I'm not like a shipwright or anything. I just know some stuff.
It floats! Hey!
It's floating!
Yeah, baby! Yes! The boat actually floats! Yes! We passed the float test! This is crazy! Now, picture this with an actual floor, a sail, some rudders, and some oars.